Welcome to our full guide on how to unlock your profile on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, locate and tap on the lock icon, typically found near your profile picture or cover photo. Within the security and privacy settings, select the option to unlock your profile. This will allow you to make your profile publicly visible to others on Facebook. Confirm your decision to unlock your profile by tapping on the unlock button once again. Follow up by tapping on the prompt that says unlock your profile to finalize the process and make your profile accessible to a wider audience. By unlocking your profile, you can expand your reach and engagement on Facebook by allowing more users to view your content and connect with you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to unlock your profile on Facebook. Increase your visibility and reach on the platform by making your profile accessible to a broader audience. Enjoy connecting with more users and sharing your content with a wider community on Facebook.